Everyone, welcome back to the next video. We're going to be unboxing the brand new, or relatively new, Grainfather G70 version 2. So this is pretty cool. So we're trying to figure out how to attach it. It actually has magnets, so that when you need to wash this down, you can unplug here, cover up your connector, clean it really well, and then you can attach your electronics back on it and plug it in down here. So this is it all assembled. It took about 5 minutes to unbox everything. Everything is self-contained, so the counterflow chiller, everything you can store in here. The only thing that doesn't fit is the lifting arm to lift the basket out. But other than that, it's really compact, really nice. So if you want to see us use this for our first brew day, like and subscribe, and we'll be back in a few weeks with a video of our first brew day using the Grainfather G70 version 2. Thanks.